working on the truck. The truck has a brake leak, as you guys saw in the last video, and there's a brake line under there that needs to be custom made. So let's take a look. This is the brake line. Crusty. It's like everything on a Ford. Hate to be that guy that talks shit, but it goes all the way to the back around the gas tank. It's a pretty long line, so I want to try to be as delicate as possible. Alright, hopefully you guys can see me. So it is Saturday, 8:30 in the morning. I am freaking tired as heck. Trying not to curse as much. It's probably not gonna be successful with that today. But anyway, it's 8:30 in the morning. It's Saturday. Had work yesterday. Didn't have any coffee. But I woke up with, a lot of motivation, a lot of confidence. Start the brakes on the truck. 4 calipers need to be done, 2 hydraulic lines, and 1 long steel line that's going to require some custom bending. So I have all the tools for that, except I don't have the tools to remove it. So I have to go up to Harbor Freight, and I'm hoping that this is a one trip thing. Alright, here at Harbor Freight, I go in there and grab exactly what I need and everything I need, because if I have to drive back out here, I'd be kind of pissed off. Oh, this fucking place. Back at the truck, we got glasses because, like I said, my eyes are small and I get a lot of shit in them for some reason. Got PB Blaster to help with any corrosion and rusty bolts. Got my double flare nut wrenches. That's a regular thing of box wrenches. That's it. And some hand condoms. Safety first, kids. Pick up. Right, so do not make fun of me about wearing these safety glasses. Like I said, my eyes are small, so I get a lot of shit in them. But anyway, one issue that I had was I bought this Pittsburgh 5-piece flare wrench set. Swore that everything would be standard because it's an American truck, but it's not. So it's actually a 13 millimeter, as you can't see. The big side's 5/8, and the little side is 13. Didn't know that, so now it's good to know. 2 trips, we can actually get this done. So I got the first one up front started, got it loose. I didn't fully take it off yet because I want to get the back side loose and fish it through so that I'm not making a mess. So that's the brake line, and as you can see on the right side over there, it's real crusty. So got the brake line out. Was not an easy task. Here it is. So with it coming out, now I have to make the brake line. I look forward to that. Try to keep it in the best shape I can. I don't think I bent it getting it out, but who knows. So, alright. Let's get to fucking bending this brake line. Alright, so the first 2 series of bends are done. Excuse me. It's pretty close. Pretty close. Yeah, that's all I can say. This tool right here, when you know how to use it, it's awesome. But maybe because I've never done this before, it's a lot harder than I'm making it. But this shit is complex than a motherfucker, man. Anyway, got the first series of bends done. I even got the little bend here on it. It's not as serious, but got a lot more to go. I was going to actually try to form it before placing it in the truck, but with it being a custom job, I might be able to make a shortcut. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I got the first portion of it formed up. So now I'm going to use my double flare tool here. on the last caliper. Did the passenger side, did both of the rears. I'm getting tired of this, so I'll finish this up, then we'll have to bleed the brakes, and hopefully God it stops. I have faith though, I think it's gonna stop. Oh Jesus, but I started at 8:30 in the morning. Nah, 9 because I had to make 2 trips, but I started at 9 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, it's going on 2:30. Alright, let's do this. Fucking finish this. I'm about to take it around the block real quick and make sure that I stop and don't die, because where I live there's a lot of fucking hills, up, down, left, loopy-loops and shit, so yeah. It's obviously started. Obviously made a mess. But yeah, feel the pedal's really hard, so let's see what happens. Yeah, the brakes feel good. They could probably be bled one more time, just due to that. It's a tiny. Not even really. Well, let me see. So nah, the brakes are good. Feel good to me. No, they're good. Yeah. Alright, so, yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, you feel some sort of accomplishment. I know I do. I'm not wearing my seatbelt, but, only in the neighborhood. But like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.